Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to another Create That Studio Design Team layout. Today we're going to be using these three photos. So we've got my girls, hanging, and then we got the donkeys. So we're feeding the donkeys. Donkey. Sorry. We are going to use the textured basil. And I'm going to do we're going to trim them down, so they're going to kind of sit like this. So we've got to trim those down. We've got to pick. So I think we could just we could do that. Just that one big banner across the middle. And then I need what else? Oh, you know what? What is that? It's not going to go with the... I don't know, because it's got more of a white tone. See how quickly my little mind changes, but we will. We can use both of those. And. So... I'm going to use both sides of those. We're just going to go with that. I know it's crazy because I'm like, I hem-haw around is what I do. You know it. I know it. We all know it. So I'm going to go ahead and trim these up. I'm going to cut my photos down and we'll come back and we'll have more process. Give me just a second. Don't know if I like this cluster here, so we're going to move that to maybe become one with that. Let's do that. And then I've got all this, and I want to use those flowers. So this is how we're going. As you see, I've got this one popped up. I've got some wonk going on because I love the wonk. I did take my border punch and just kind of the notebook one. I went ahead and did two of those strips, and then what I cut off of this before I matted it, I just saved those pieces and added them there, so a little extra flavor. We're gonna get the two little ducks on here. My girls in the picture will know what's wrong with the ducks and why that's funny. So get the duck with the flower. We're going to put him right there. Let's pop this little duck up. Where are my scissors? And we're going to squirt some glue underneath it, even though that ATG is on there as well. But I do just want to make sure that it sticks. We're going to stick this duck. Let's put him right here. Okay. Then we've got this up here. I did pull out some gold. I wanted to splatter on the last one, but forgot. I also took some gold washi tape and sealed that up. Just, because it's really all about the layers. So we're just going to stick this right there. This cute, let's pop this one up too. So, boop. So have you guys checked out the store? I hope you have, and that you are just as impressed as I was, as it is fun. Has anybody been to the store? That's the next question, right? So if you're down that way, we're actually talking about taking the girls' trip, obviously, but that won't be right away. But me and my husband are actually talking about going to New Orleans this fall. So you never know where we'll end up. Maybe we'll just stop in and say hey. Okay. And the little Bony Bunny is going to go there, but we're going to pop the Bony Bunny up as well. So, you guys, I'm always using the foam like this. I use so much. I scrap so much. I might even tell. Hold on, my phone dinged. Anyway, I might even ask Tanya to maybe start stocking some of this, because this is really some pretty darn good foam. So let's just go ahead and boop. Because I'm going to put these bees on here as well. So the Art Glitter Glue is my fave because it doesn't take long for it to dry. So it, you know, just a little bit of hold, wait time, and then it's stuck. So see, came and moved the bunny now. All right. Well, that was not stuck yet, was it? No. Oh, look, I made a little person. I didn't mean to. Let's go ahead and put this bee over here. We're going to put this bee right here. And then we'll get this little bee. Every time I say bee, she looks, so that's what makes me laugh. Right there. All right. I may not even get these flowers on here, but I want to. I think I really, oh, and look at the paper. So if we put one there. Do we want to do the, yeah, let's do the pink. Whoa. One there. What if we take this one and just kind of tuck it right there? So very weird triangle, but still a triangle. So let's get those stuck down. And I do use a lot of glue because of the felt and such, that it might absorb in. So instead of, you know, taking a chance, we just do that. Oh, look at how cool that background paper is. Like, I feel like I could actually get that all off of there. Oh, I could. What? Oh, prima. What will you come up with next? Okay. Then I've got these 4 pieces that I'm going to try to I don't know. What are we going to do with them? I guess that one we're not going to use. So let's use this one. Sticker right there. Then we'll get this one. And because I love to put stuff on the photos, and that says Beautiful Life, and then this says Everyday Beauty. I think we're just going to offset it right down there so it's not going to touch everything. Like usually the whole point of clusters is like as long as like they're touching. But I think we're just going to leave it right here. And Beautiful Life will serve as our title. So let's go ahead and put that there. Grab that little packaging there. So I've got two forms of mixed media. I've got the Dina Wakley Gloss Spray in Gilt and very old Heidi Swapp Color Shine in Gold. So I'm going to splatter this up and just get in this area, and you will be able to see that on the close-ups. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I'll check you later with another video. Bye.